gonna give you a little sneak peek of Glow Up series. We're only taking 7 kilos. I'm going to Fiji next week, so it is Sunday the 12th of April and we are currently trying to pack our bag for MGK. This is the situation we've got going on here. We're only taking 7 kilos and I'm only taking this backpack and we're going to be there for like a couple of days. When I say a couple, it's going to be like 1. We're arriving there morning of the concert, so like 9 a.m, staying that night, and then we're leaving I think like 5 the next day. Like we're there for a short amount of time. The outfit that I'm thinking of wearing looks really cute, but you guys are going to have to wait till the MGK concert vlog until you see the outfit. But she looks really cute. And then I'm sort of trying to figure out what my airport outfit's gonna be / me cruising around outfit, because I'm not wanting to pack much at all. So that's currently where we're at. Very chill, very cruisy. Okay, don't mind the music playing in the background. Or my outfit is 7 degrees, so. So I'm gonna wear this as one of the airport fits / casual shopping day with my black flares. Then this is gonna be the other top for the casual plain / shopping day top with my black flares. And these are the black flares in question. Super comfy. Now for Machine Gun Kelly, I'm gonna give you a little sneak peek. I'm not gonna show you it on. We've got this really cute top. I've got my money's worth out of this. I've worn this to every festival so far. It's always my go-to. It's so flattering, so I love wearing this. And then I'm popping this cute see-through top over top of it. I know, cute. And then I'm gonna pair it with these cute jeans, which are like tight at the waist and super baggy at the bottom. And then I'm gonna also pair it with this little cropped denim black jacket because it may or may not be cold. And then that will be my concert outfit and then my travel day outfit. I now need to have a look at like makeup stuff I need to pack / skincare stuff. And I bought some cute little travel containers for Fiji that I'll start transferring the stuff into those now. So then I don't need to take big bulky stuff with me. Like I said, we're gonna get 7 kilos, but we're not planning on shopping because we're literally there for a short amount of time. I'm going to Fiji next week, so we're not trying not to spend a lot of money. Okay, I'm taking my backpacking bag to Fiji with me. This will have our 28 kilos in it. Hopefully not that much in it because we want room for shopping. But this is sort of what we're looking like now. But I'm taking this to Sydney with me. This is our neck pillow, which we got from Kmart. If you want to see us shopping for neck pillows and random things, go watch my TikTok because trust me, there's a funny video of us doing this. And then these are the little containers I was talking about, which I'm going to transfer some of my skincare into that right now. And then these are going to go on top of my shampoos and conditioners, but I don't need that for Sydney. And then these are the cute little PJs that we're going to take to Sydney. We've got matching, the 3 of us have matching, and they're cute little like alcoholic drinks, so we're going to bring those. Okay, it is time to fill our containers. I have just made matcha and look how cute this cup is. It is a Paris cup. Are you kidding me? It is time and start filling up all of the containers. Random shit that I probably don't need. This is the moisturizer I've been using. I got this from a really cute Korean store and I've been loving it. I've got tons of samples of cleanser that I need to pop in there. Okay, I've got this like little funnel that came with these ones, so let's use that so we don't make a mess, because like I said, I've got like a ton of little samples to use and I think it would be better to transfer them into here. Okay, I just took off my face mask, but I used this face mask here. But it feels so nice and hydrating. While my face mask was processing, I sort of popped all my clothes into this little bag. Look at little Vovoy. He's all curled up because he's cold and he's wrapped in a little blankie. Good morning everyone. It is the 13th of April. We are heading off to go get our hair done today for our little glow up series. I'm thinking about going darker. This hair is just not doing it for me anymore and I want to change, and we're going into winter in Australia, so I think it's time that we go a little darker. I'm going away, so I'm swimming quite a bit, so like, you know, it's gonna come out quickly anyway, so let's head off and do some hair and get my hair done. I'm now back from the salon. This is my hair all done. She's aggressively curled and she's a little tight, and I'm leaving her a little tight because I want it to last, because I'm going to sleep on it and make sure it's good for the concert tomorrow, so then I don't have to recurl it. So that's why it looks really curly. In about 10 minutes I'm going to leave and head off to get my flu needle, and then once I've done the flu needle I just need to come back here, finish packing stuff and doing stuff around here, and then that's really about it.